Okay, so finishing off my model, when I clicked on this array, if I came over and clicked on the number, I'm not able to, I can change the number, but I'm not able to put in the dimension, the parameter. If I click on anything in the array and I click on the actual dimension itself, the array here, then if you watch the options bar up here, there's the label. So I can now come down and say that it's number of shelves. Now, again, with my practice of flexing the model after you've made a limited number of changes, ideally you make one change, you flex it to make sure that the change gives you the behavior that you want. But now what I'm going to do is, if I came in and I'm just going to check my model here, if I grab that and move it, that's not what I wanted to happen, right? I wanted that to be aligned with the top. So I do have one more thing to do here, which is to pick the top and align the top of my shelving with there and lock it. Okay, so now what I can do is do the flexing that I'd mentioned. So if I come in here, I'm trying to move this up a bit. It's as far out of the way as I can get it. But if you see here number of shelves, if I said 7, apply, or I said 8, apply, right, I'm able to drive the geometry. So I've got one more thing to do here, is that the 3D model, if I look at this in 3D, the 3D model is great. I'm seeing what I want. I can just check it out down here. Let's say consistent colors and or shaded. However, what I'm thinking about is that I want to see different objects when I'm in 3D than I do when I'm in 2D. I don't want, when I've put my family into a project, I don't want it to be looking actually at the top of a 3D model and having to do the calculations to figure out that really this is all I'm seeing, because that eats up the resources on my machine. So when I look at this, I need to think that, well, do I want all of this geometry